Hello, I want to welcome you to Professional English for Business, and just to introduce myself to you so that you have a face with the instructor name. This video is just to give you a quick rundown of how to get started in the class and be the most successful this first week. So obviously you've made it to the first page in Canvas if you're watching the video. At the bottom beneath the video you'll see a matrix of buttons. Each of those buttons will take you to the given week's module. For this first week, you want to click on the Welcome module and then progress through that module a page at a time, clicking Next at the bottom. And there's a couple assignments there. And once you get to the bottom of the module, then your Week 1 module will open. The Week 1 module just starts off with having you connect to MindTap through your Canvas course. And it doesn't matter whether you're using the temporary code or you're using the code you purchased with your textbook. It should link and allow you access to MindTap. I know students have asked me in the past about the course key. You should not need a course key because the course has been linked to the Canvas shell. So hopefully you can bypass that screen. I can't mimic what you do, so I'm not quite sure what to tell you specifically other than I think you can get past the screen and have it connect. There's no assignments there. You'll just be able to look at chapter 1 at this point, and that's all you need to do. There's a couple of discussions that you are supposed to participate in for Week 1, as well as a pre-test. So as you do the pre-test, you're just checking your knowledge. At this point in the class, there's no grade for how many you miss. So really what I'd like you to do is take the quiz, and for those that you have no idea if there's an error, just put none. Because you're identifying errors in sentences, and some may not have errors and others may. But if you don't find something, then just click none at that point. Okay? And then you'll be submitting that as well at the end. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can reach me by clicking that inbox button on the left side of your screen and shooting me an email, and I'll get right back to you. I hope that you have a great week. Thanks.